Products and vehicles are becoming more and more computerized, and this is also true for manufacturing. But an integrated production not only adds greater flexibility, higher efficiency, and sustainability, it also opens the door to new cyber threats. Is it possible to deepen digitalization while also securing a smart factory's uptime, technical knowledge, and ultimately human safety? Let's discuss. Robert Karlsson and Claes Albons, warm welcome to Momentum Talks.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Let's start with you, Robert. I know that you are passionate about helping industrial companies become more digitalized, but what is the main benefits for them in this?
Absolutely, Amanda. It's really exciting times for the manufacturing industry right now with the move towards and into the smart factories. And I think the benefits of this digitalization are quite many. We can improve productivity by basically making real-time adjustments to the production. We can reduce the number of defects by closer integration to quality systems. And we can also increase the uptime by having things like advanced preventive maintenance. And digitalization is, of course, a key support for all of this. Another important aspect to this is that all of these benefits will also help make production more sustainable, which I think is very important going forward.
I think sustainability is a key element for everyone right now.
Absolutely.
Would you say that flexible production is something that your customers value highly?
Yes. The need for flexibility or flexible production is one of the key trends or needs that we see with our customers right now. And this is really about the factories being able to switch what they produce very quickly or produce even more variants on the same production lines. One example from the car industry would be internal combustion engines and EV vehicles on the same production line. And this also drives the need for a more flexible type of automation. And here also digitalization then, or the digital tools that are there, is a key component in making that work. And it's not so much flexibility anymore, it's more, I would say, hyper flexibility, because flexibility has been there for a long time in the industry, but it's really in overdrive right now.
If this is some of the benefits, do you see any apparent risks in increased digitalization?
Of course, the more software we use and the more connections we have, the more exposed the factory environment becomes to things like cyber attacks and so on, so digital threats. And I think that's a challenge that, of course, needs to be overcome. But the benefit that comes out of the digitalization are really overwhelming, right? So there's really no stopping here or going backwards. The only sustainable way, I would say, is forward here.
That sounds very inspiring.
Absolutely.